Here we are. She's way back there. We're up here. We're up here. I got the little one with me, so let's see what we can find over here.
So,
look at that.
I'm here at the tractor
really
show.
And apparently red around me. So I don't know what she's up to.
All these big tractors.
This place is huge. We've been walking around for hours already, and we still ain't found
Got
our way
everything.
back. Oh my gosh,
They're probably
you
looking
can see
for
this
it.
spot. This huge
Probably,
thing behind me. Don't even know what it
Not
is.
sitting wearing equipment, but
I have no clue what's going on there. See if we can
I don't
wiggle
know
our
what
way
you'll
back
find around here.
to her.
We've been having fun and stuff. Looking at the
I
big
think she's over in the morning.
machines
I don't know.
and all that good stuff.
Hey, copyright
We
music.
have some new things on display here.
I love copyright
You
music
can't tell.
that I can't play on my show. Thank you. Thank you for your copyright
And I
music.
have to
Alright, I'm gonna
look
cut
around
across
here
here.
and see if I can find something interesting.
See if I can get away from the copyright music a little bit more. Got a freaking transformer behind me.
weird.
I don't know what this thing is. Look at this thing. Look at this thing.
You
Look at
get
this
lost
thing.
in this
I don't know
place.
what it is.
I don't even know where
There's a bunch of tractors over here.
anything is right now.
I wasn't surprised though. I had to
I
Oh, look,
do recognize
cute little hats.
something back here. I don't know. Let's see what we got going on back here.
Just gonna kind of walk around.
There's some John Deere behind me.
See if we
Look at all that stuff, man. We'll walk over here.
They're under the
All
world.
lit up and pretty.
That'll make you sick.
Special.
Now imagine if those were on pure death machine.
Can't find her now.
You know what I mean? Kind of off.
Anybody else seen the other weirdo that's recording like me? No? I'm one half of DC High. Bullock County's number one
Springs.
education comedy
We got
podcast
some
show.
Giant Springs
And we're
here.
doing, oh, look, I see somebody. I see somebody.
Yeah.
See that?
So,
Where'd she go?
you.
Look,
Hey. So, wait, hold on.
back there. Look, look. I'm going to point her out. She'll let you know.
I think I seen D over here.
Look, 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 look.
There he is. Hi, D.
Oh, look at this. Double recording. What if I stare at mine, you stare at yours?
This is creepy. So we found each other.
Yeah,
Yeah.
as you can see.
We're on the death machines.
They're huge.
They are
They're
huge.
freaking huge.
They're
Oh, look at
humongous.
this thing.
Yeah, that's the death machine. We just experienced that in 360 view.
Yeah.
Death machine.
Look at this thing right over my head. I didn't even notice it right above my head.
Look at the big old tire. It's taller than me. There's my head.
Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. Look at that. Look at that.
Right?
Look at this thing right above my head. Actually, it's kind of cool. Let's take a picture of it. Take a picture of me.
Oh, we spun around in the death machine.
There we go.
All right, guys.
Cool. Let's go see what else we can find around.
Yeah?
Alright, so we don't promote smoking on our show or anything like that, but it's an opportunity to win free crap. So let's see if C can win something.
Go for a shirt.
Go for a shirt.
Why not?
What's she gonna get? Oh.
Look at that.
Hey! She won a shirt.
Large or extra large? Extra large.
Large. Large. Oh, sounds good to me.
I got a shirt. I wanted green pies earlier of a hat. Now I
She
have
got
a
the hat,
shirt.
now she got a shirt. What the f? This is
Oh,
bullcrap.
hey guys.
Okay, so I tried that little dip thing that C just won. This stuff is
Walking
brutal.
around here now.
Oh my god, the coffee flavor is so strong. And my mouth tingles and it feels all funny. Well, let's check out this big stuff. Look at this huge. How big these freaking things are. I have
This
no
looks like
clue what this
a
is, but
giant vacuum cleaner.
apparently it's what I
So you
know.
see the front of it.
There's kids going up there. Look how tiny that kid is.
Like giant salt.
Look how huge this thing is.
All the way
This thing is freaking huge. We're just gonna cut through people.
Huh.
Like, why did DCI come through? What's the front of this thing?
Got some another big freaking tractor with big freaking wheels.
Stuff over here. We're just gonna cut through your shop. Excuse me. Coming around your shop. Nice thing, man. Jeez. Look at the one behind me.
Take around your big green tractor.
Yeah, we came here not knowing anything. We don't know nothing about all this stuff. We just figured it'd be fun. What else are we going to do on a Saturday night besides watching the game that I got currently up on my phone?
It does all this lovely stuff for you if you are a farmer.
So yeah, we came out here
I
not knowing what anything is.
One of those people.
I don't know, checking it out.
And
There's big.
oh look, I
big,
think
oh,
we
no.
stumbled across.
Oh no, I found something. Look what I found. Look what I found.
Well, hello there again.
Look at this.
So excited.
So how does your mouth feel? Mine feels weird.
It tingles on the inside.
It tingles on the inside.
It doesn't taste like you're supposed to swallow this stuff.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't taste very chemical. Oh well. Let's go see what else we can find around
Right?
Here? Alright. We got a local here. Got a lucky local. Alright. You see how to do this, right? We're going to go either left, we're going to go right. I don't care. Go right. Oh. There he goes. Alright. Is this going to be a grand prize? Is it going to be a regular prize? What's it going to be? Oh, we got a grand prize there. I've got sunglasses. I've got a koozie. I've got a hat. That's the last hat. What do you think? Help yourself. Thank you very much for playing with us, Sherry. Alright, what's your name?
Alright, so I left C behind. She went to the little girl's room, so I think we go check it out. Oh, it's stuff. This place is huge. We have been to like 4 different wings. We have been here for hours. I feel like we're getting lost trying to find our way back to the car. Let's just cut through here. Let's go through here. Let's go through here. Look at this weird. I'm just gonna cut back behind us. Don't mind DC High on location as I record, so I can get this thing in the background. Wow, look at this stuff. It's like something from Stargate. Like, I feel like we're gonna open a portal to somewhere else, and something's gonna come hopping out at me, man. I've lost her. I don't know if she's gonna find us or not. It's like some. You can hear me. Oh my God, there's people everywhere. There's people. Look at this stuff. Look at all this stuff. Look at all this stuff. Look at all this stuff. See if we can sneak our way in here. See if I can sneak my way inside of this. You get past the people. Oh my God. Yeah. Look at this stuff. This stuff is crazy. You know we're not filming. I don't know what you're talking about. I would never illegally film anywhere, ever. Look at that stuff, man. There's stuff everywhere. Oh, look. She's looking for us. See if we can spot her. See if we can spot her before she spots us. Look at this. Look. Look. There she is back there looking. Let's see if she notices me recording. Let's see if she sees us. Yeah, she found us finally.
Were y'all playing in the cattle thingies?
We were playing everywhere. We went and seen all kinds of stuff. Alright, so I think we're going to try to make our way back to the car. So we've been here for like hours.
So I guess that kind of concludes our little adventure here.
So yeah, this has been another episode of DC High.
On location.
Make sure you subscribe right here. And then check out the videos. It's up here and over here. And we'll see you next week. Who knows where our next adventure will take us.
I don't know.
We'll find out next week. Well, I hope you remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on this one.
100.
100.
100.
For like the 100 million square feet this place was, we had to traverse for this video. So we'll see you next week right here on DCI.